Hey friends, it's spring here at the ranch and that means it's flower time. I wanted to take you on a quick run through some of my favorite annuals that we have at the ranch right now as we head into Mother's Day weekend. We have so many great annuals. I'm very picky about my annuals, so I thought I'd show you some of my favorite performers. First up, we have premium coleus. So there's a difference with your coleus. Premium coleus tend to flower much later than seed-grown coleus, like what you would find in little packs. So some of my favorites are this one right here, Campfire. And then you've gotta love the chartreuse of Wasabi. You pair that with some purples or blues in a flower pot and it really, really pops. The nice thing about these coleus, the coleus that we offer, is they are full sun varieties and they can take shade. So they're not like the old school coleus. Next up, there is a petunia on the list. This is Night Sky Petunia. Been out for a few years. This is a really nice petunia with speckled purple flowers. Best thing about Night Sky Petunia and the purple petunias in general, they're fragrant at night. So if you're looking for that jasmine, you can't find it, or gardenia, put a purple petunia on the patio. These things smell wonderful at night. A couple big pots of them, and you're gonna have really, really nice nighttime fragrance. Next up, premium salvias. So my favorite, probably Black and Bloom, the dark blue flowers. This is the best hummingbird plant that we have on the property right now. But any of the salvias, like these skyscrapers, they're wonderful too. You got 3 or 4 colors in this series. So Black and Bloom, the different annual salvias, really, really good for hummingbirds, and they're tough plants. Next up, premium begonias. My favorite begonia of all time, Canary Wings begonia. This is actually my original patented plant. I created this plant, brought it to market, but there's a lot of other really nice begonias too. Some that I would look for are the dragon wing types like these. This is megawatt pink and you got canary wings. And then the boliviensis type, which have the pendant flowers. These are very durable. They can take a lot of sun, very drought tolerant. And then this super cool Griffin begonia here gets really large. It's kind of a Dracula looking plant. Next up, Lobularia. This one is Easy Breezy Lobularia. Now you might just be thinking, well, that just looks like an alyssum. No, this isn't a alyssum. This is like the Arnold Schwarzenegger of alyssums here. So this is like an alyssum on steroids. Smells wonderful. The whole thing just smells amazing. You get a big pot of this, you're gonna have wonderful fragrance, and it attracts beneficial insects to your garden, which will help cut down on some of those nasty pests in the garden. So Lobularia, much better than just straight alyssum. Now here's a cute little plant. You might be thinking, Vinkavine, really? He's featuring Vinkavine? No, this is Dorotheanthus. This is not Vinkavine. I like this as a substitute or a stand-in for Vinkavine. The plant gets a lot fuller down to the front of the pot instead of those kind of spindly Vinkavine things that you get. This will become a solid curtain down your pot. None of these are blooming at the moment, but cute little pink flowers. This plant looks amazing until the first hard freeze. So very drought tolerant and better than Vinkavine. Of course, Lantana. If you want a durable plant that's super easy and brings in loads of butterflies, Lantana is the ticket. My favorite is the pink and orange and yellow combo here. This is the Sunrise Rose. There's several rose types with different habits, but the rose varieties of Lantanas are my favorite, although there are many wonderful colors. Again, super heat, sun, and drought tolerant. And last up, there's so many great verbenas on the market, but probably my favorite is this Lascar Mango Orange. This plant last 2 years in trial gardens. I could see it from a mile away. Fantastic, durable, landscape-worthy annual. So there you have it, a quick primer of some of my favorite annuals that we have right now. We have a lot more annuals coming out. Spring is here, the place is packed. I mean, it's packed. You can't even walk through the aisles, it's so packed. A lot of premium plants. This is what we do, this is what we love. Hope you enjoy. Look at this, it's like a perfect little combo pot. See you next time.